Collaboration versus competition. 4 ways to use social media marketing to collaborate. A great form of social media marketing is collaboration. Collaborating with another brand can be a mutually beneficial method for content creation and reaching new parts of your target audience. Other people in your industry are not necessarily enemies. Whilst they may be your competition, building connections and relationships with other brands is essential to longevity and gaining collaborative opportunities. You don't have to collaborate with your direct competition, but collaborating with similar brands can open new opportunities. Basically, you should collaborate with brands that complement yours. You can reach out to them to discuss possible collaborative opportunities. You could explain what you hope to gain from collaborating with them: traffic, engagement, audience growth, and what they will gain from you. It must be mutually beneficial. Coordinate and set expectations for creations and timelines. Collaboration don't always have to be all about creating new content. Simply sharing credited content that similar industry players post could be a good way to build a relationship. There are different types of collaborative campaigns. They work differently and will require different levels of effort or investment on your part, so it's best to determine what would work better for you. Here are 4 suggestions to get you started. Partnerships, cross-promotions, content placements, sponsorships. Partnerships. Partnerships can be longer-term ways to build connections with your industry. They will often require multiple posts over a longer period of time that will aim to build a strong, lasting connection between your audience and your partner. These partnerships often involve longer-term commitments and multiple posts over an extended period. The goal is to build a strong, lasting connection between your audience and your partner's audience. Partnerships can be highly beneficial as they allow you to tap into a new segment of your target audience while providing your partner with access to your audience as well. When considering partnerships, it is important to identify brands that complement your own and share similar values and objectives. To initiate a partnership, reach out to potential collaborators and discuss possible opportunities. Clearly communicate what you hope to achieve from the collaboration, such as increased traffic, engagement, or audience growth. Emphasize the mutual benefits that both parties can gain from the partnership. Cross-promotions. Cross-promotions offer a simple yet effective way to collaborate with other brands. This approach involves sharing another brand's content in exchange for them sharing yours. While cross-promotions may yield shorter-term results compared to partnerships, they can still provide valuable exposure and introduce your brand to a new audience. When considering cross-promotions, look for brands that align with your target audience and have a similar level of engagement. By sharing each other's content, you can leverage the existing credibility and reach of the collaborating brand to expand your own visibility. It's important to establish clear guidelines and expectations regarding the frequency and manner of cross-promotion to ensure a mutually beneficial arrangement. Content placements. Placing your content within another kind of content. Whether it be a showcasing of a product or sharing of post. This type of collaboration can be a less obvious but highly effective way to reach a broader audience and increase brand visibility. When seeking content placement opportunities, identify creators or platforms that align with your brand's aesthetic and values. For instance, if you sell athletic wear, collaborating with fitness influencers or partnering with sports-related publications can provide relevant exposure. By strategically placing your brand within content that resonates with your target audience, you can generate interest and drive engagement. Sponsorships. Usually paired with an ad, gaining sponsorships is a great revenue stream for you and a way to show your brand's success. After all, if other brands are willing to pay you to promote their products, you must have a level of success. Sponsorships are collaborations that often involve a paid element. Brands may sponsor your content or events, typically in exchange for promoting their products or services. Gaining sponsorships not only provides a potential revenue stream but also serves as an indicator of your brand's success and influence within your industry. When pursuing sponsorships, be mindful of maintaining a balance and not overwhelming your audience with excessive sponsored content. By partnering with reputable brands, you can enhance your brand's credibility and reach while providing value to your audience through meaningful collaborations. It is important to make sure that your audience will respond well to any collaborations you undertake, so make sure the other brand appeals to your audience and aligns with their values. Collaborations are a great way to revive the content that you are creating. Not only can it lead to some unique content ideas for your own brand, but it can also help others. It will grow your exposure and add credibility to your brand.